hello. This is the special bread I'm gonna be making today. I had mixed a similar bread like this before, but a lovely niece of mine want me to show her again how to make this different, this time using the baking powder instead of using yeast. So I'm like, okay, with the yeast, it doesn't take long to make. You don't have to wait for the dough to rise. So basically you do it and within 5 minutes you can basically fry it. And she also said she doesn't have enough oil because she doesn't want to go out to the stores because of, you know, the corona going on. So she's like, Auntie, please just do a video for me. I want to see it. I want to see how you say, with this bread, we're going to make it like kind of flat. So it's a little different from the circle ones that I usually make. So, okay, baby, I got it for you. Here we have 2 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And I just said, let me make it a little different. I'm gonna put 1 egg in it this time. And we have lukewarm water here, 1 cup. And we're gonna have 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And I will also be adding some little bit of cinnamon. So here we go. We're going to mix all the dry ingredients. I can even put this now. Woo! I put a lot, but it's okay. You can put just a little bit of cinnamon, or you can do it without cinnamon. So it doesn't have to have cinnamon. Doesn't have to have an egg either, but just know that I make things kind of different each time. So you can go back and look at my Beignet fried dough. I made it in my bread videos. It's already posted. So this one is just kind of different in the way that we're gonna use less oil and it's gonna be more flat. So you have the baking powder here, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and I'm gonna add water gradually. It is really quick, my darling, so it's not gonna take you long to make. I wait for an hour in order for it to rise. With baking powder, I'm just gonna wait for 5 minutes or so to have it sink in. Hey, no music. But we're still good, we still good. We still happy in the kitchen. Is that right? Yeah. All right, so I'm done now. This is the way it looks like. Now you're gonna wait for the bread to brown a little and then you turn it. And then once it's done, you take it out and you continue doing the same thing over and over, spreading it, putting it in the oil until you are done. The only way to test if it's cooked is to make sure you put the fork inside, and once the fork comes out clean, it means that it's cooked.